So hi everybody, a very good morning, good afternoon. It's a bright Saturday morning. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions, where we have products which are accessories and furniture and interior solutions for houses, homes, villas, hotels, any space where you require home and office interior solutions, as small as probably a coaster, which is right now on my table, this one and this one, to bigger items which are which can be beds, which can be tables, dining tables, which can be wardrobes, which can be art installations or whatever. And of course we have accessories. We've got cutlery, we've got picture frames, we've got vases, we've got like curio pieces and stuff like that, and an interesting series of creations in consoles, in tables, center tables and stuff, which are inspired for and made for the international market and stuff. We have lamps also, I've already shared that, and lots of other interesting products like you have washroom sets for soaps and stuff, and we have interesting items like tissue boxes, and then we have for men we have chess boxes, we have tables which are made out of golf inspired themes and stuff. Then there is the sea, the ships and stuff, and a lot of other items and stuff. So it's a Saturday, taking it easy, going easy, so last night was a great time, and I'm doing some thought share on nature and improvising your homes and offices or wherever you are, because everybody with the weather and everything wants to feel relaxed and calm and at peace and stuff. So let me give you a tip. I've stopped watching TV. I watch movies and I watch lighter stuff, but for the last 2-3 days I have disconnected again from media and from TV. In today's world they call it detoxification, and they have other terms for this, but for me it's very important to kind of safeguard how I'm feeling, because I can think differently and I can think fresh and creative. And on certain days when I'm not feeling inspired, like for the last 2-3 days because of the weather change and health concerns or whatever, I make it a conscious effort to not tune into the blaring noises and sounds of most programs on TVs. I'm talking about the news and views and thought shares. But when you're in the real world and when you're in better environments like art galleries, or you're in various forums, like yesterday there was one which is for climate, or for some nicely managed ones, you will know for sure that this whole thing about bad presented programs and news and quality is not a joke. It's affecting your psychology, it's affecting the outlook of life. People kind of feel angry, people kind of feel negative, people don't enjoy the cities or countries they're living in and stuff, because they think everything is going wrong with the world. But then we all know it, that if you're going to be choosing to be watching that and you're going to be consistently focused on that, concern is good, but not let it be a part of your psychology daily is a recommended bet. So if you go to an art gallery, if you go to a mall, if you go to a musical place, if you go to a gym, if you go to a nice market, if you go to a nice hotel, if you go to a nice place for shopping or whatever, you're not going to be kind of thinking about what is going wrong with the world, but you will actually be soaking up with what's right. So let me give you a small example. I was in India Habitat Center area yesterday. The moment I came out of my car after a traffic situation, the first thing which kind of caught my attention was the sound of the birds and peacock and everything, and then there were these beautiful dogs around and cats and stuff, and beautiful nature everywhere. And of course there was this talk on climate change, which is the need of the hour. The world has been speaking about it and stuff. So I thought I'm going to do a share on little things we can do. I've shared these before, but I'm reminding a few people that it doesn't take expensive stuff to have decoration happening on your tables or in spaces like racks or working cubicles, or your bedrooms or your TV rooms, or your living rooms, your libraries or whatever. It's really very easy. All you need is 3-4 items. So let me give you a few tips. First is you have a glass container. In a glass container you have little pebbles, and previously I shared that you can put in some green plants in those with some fish and stuff. But what you can do is ikigai, which is a Japanese or Korean or even an Indian, people have been doing this now for a while. You can basically have nice beautiful flowers just soaked in that green space of the container, and you're going to be having a very beautiful decor piece ready for you. So let me repeat it. You can have a round, a big round or a square or a rectangular container, glass container. You're going to have water in that, and you're going to have some pebbles in those. The choice is yours. You can have single color ones, you can have colorful ones. If you're putting in green plants, I would advise you to have colorful pebbles. But if you're putting in flowers at the top in the water, then you can just have probably a single color, maybe white or beige color pebbles and stuff. Put in one or two elements like fish if you like prosperity and you want to go with the beauty of nature around you and stuff. So that is also going to kind of relax you a lot, and it looks beautiful any which ways, and you may get inspired to kind of focus on better positive stuff around you than most of this. The second tip is just take a simple glass, and there are so many containers we have at home where we have biscuits finishing in, we have cookies, we have chocolates, we have containers in which we put in our grocery stuff, or we put in our dals or pulses or whatever. If you have a container, or if you have a big like a water jar, you kind of put in plants with pebbles and without, or with fish and stuff. So these are very easy ones. You just have to do away with the lids, and you can just remove the labels of the glasses, containers and stuff, and you can have them on your table. Let me show you one. I mean, it's a very basic one, but when I woke up in the morning, these are leftovers from some beautiful flowers that I had. So when I woke up, my first sight was the flowers. So I think about nature and stuff, so it kind of makes you feel beautiful, and you have your own small ikigai just around you and stuff. And then of course you can have like we have here, I shared this idea. If you have a question of heat and temperature and stuff, and air conditioning is not working good and stuff, then probably what you could do is just have a small chick or a drape, and you can have a theme on this, depending on the area or the zone you are. So this is something which I've just done, and this is a very basic one because I realized that the kitchen being a modular one and the European one, you would see mostly people working in and stuff like that, and you could see cleaning happening and all. And of course the air conditioning, because of the temperature and the weather, is not being suitable. So I got this thing done yesterday, and it feels good. So you can have probably a nice theme depending on the kind of space you're in. So if you have a theme running in your house, if you have stripes, you can choose something different. If you have whatever, I don't know what kind of furniture you have. If you have let's say wood, or if you have cane, or if you have contemporary stuff, then probably your theme can be depending on what kind of stuff you have around it. So I would have preferred a flora one, but then there would have been too many flowers. But you can always have some real nice tropical ones, or you can have, if it is a children's room, or if it is a playroom, you can probably have some animals on this, and you can have a theme there of a zoo or whatever. And if it is your study room, then you can have single modern ones and stripes, or probably something like this, which is aesthetic or interior special kind of look and stuff. And you can have nature as a theme, or you can have probably you can have whatever you like. Creativity is so vast and beautiful. It's a question of what choice you have. So depending on how comfortable you want to feel, what is your budget and stuff like that, I've given you like 2-3 tips and stuff. And then of course you have stuff like this, so this is a ceramic piece, which is a handmade one. So this is actually for display and stuff. So what I've done is I put in a nice here you are, there is a nice cup here. So whenever I want, I kind of remove this cup and I place it somewhere here, and if it is not to be there because there's too much of stuff on my table, then it just simply goes into this small piece here. So you know, so this is a very this is a small tip, but you have these big faces, and in interior designing you have these big structures made out of stone and stuff. Lot of embassies, a lot of you know, houses, lot of farmhouses have this kind of stuff. So from little things to bigger things, these can be extended. So now if I've given you an example of the fish in the container, you can probably have a big aquarium, but remember to put some you know, plants in those or flowers in those. Try and get some technical help on it, because you'll be doing your own home and spaces a huge favor. And obviously you'll also be kind of promoting and kind of getting together wildlife and nature. Okay, forget wildlife, it's sea water, sea life and nature. So this is unedited. So take care of yourself and have a blast, and remember to kind of stay hydrated. The weather is kind of also playing on some people, so choose to be in places which make you feel comfortable and good. So cheers to you on a Saturday morning. Enjoy yourself. Mindfulness is highly recommended, so make the best use of your time and space, rather than being on social media and being addicted to so-called programs, which is normally what happens. We think we are regimented and in discipline and stuff, so being flexible around it always helps. So this is what you can also do. I've already shared this before. So you know, you can have some nice like a flower and a nice a nice lengthy stick of a flower here, and it automatically starts looking good. And because this is a very narrow kind of a bottle, I can't put anything inside, but then probably you can try and fit in some pebbles here of really small size and stuff. So hope this helps, and love and luck, and have a blast and enjoy yourself, and choose plants which are going to be helping and elevating air purification, because also being in a room which is forever having a air purifier is not a very good idea, because it plays with your immunity, and so does air conditioning. So use those when really required. Otherwise stay fit and stay healthy. And you know, plants which are kind of fresh, something like this. The upward movement is a significance of positivity and prosperity and stuff. So do away with any plants and any flowers in your houses or spaces which are kind of drooping and sad, because that's not a very healthy sign. So love and luck, take care, and have a blast and enjoy yourself. And you can also have artificial flowers. These are some of my favorites. You can have artificial flowers as well. So you know, when you sit and watch TV, or when you have them in a certain area, you start feeling elevated and good, and you start noticing the beauty around. And it's always a good idea to you know, have space given to yourself, and to be sitting in areas which are green and clean, because when you're sitting in areas which are green and clean, then the thought share and everything is also around that, unless and until the state of mind of certain people is a little conky or warped. So enough of this. So take care and have a blast and enjoy yourself. And here is a new creation of mine. This is something which is inspired from this is again floral, you know. So this is a tissue box. So there are lots of products. Excuse my nails, it's a weekend, I'm going to take care of those. But then you have products like these. This is just extended from a wallpaper which I had seen. So there's a series of stuff in this. So there are trays, they are boxes in these, they are pencil holders in these are cutlery holders in this and stuff. So lots of items and stuff. And of course I'd already shared this before. This is a real interesting piece. This is about 8 years here on my table. So this is a semi-precious imported stone. So this is something which has been here. And of course you can make use of, I'd shared this before, this is a cut glass you have. So if you have cut glass pieces at home, you don't have to spend too much on buying vases, which I consistently look at when I go shopping and stuff. But you can use this also for kind of having some water in it, and then putting in some pebbles and kind of growing some beautiful you know, flora in this and stuff, and your spaces are going to be looking extremely classy and exotic and stuff. So take care and have a blast and enjoy yourself. And thanks for your messages and mails. and hope to meet you very, very soon. And thank you for all your compliments and appreciation and stuff, and the fake profiles which are appearing, and there are certain people I've been commenting and following. I see that every time I log in on a YouTube or a social media thing, their pages or something related to them will appear on my wall in the morning or the night and stuff. So please know that you're not being stalked, you're not being followed. They apparently appear on my wall, and sometimes I do take a look at those because they're on my wall. Okay, so love and luck, and take care and have fun and have a blast. Bye bye.